He's
Keep pausing. Don't pause.
is so high.
Yeah, just keep on. While not in action, pause it and then resume. Pause, resume.
When you see something walked, I still
Don't
see it.
see nothing. Just pause it. Here.
Oh, Daddy! My arms. Okay, I got it.
Show me your skills, baby JD.
Oh, it's like I'm playing a game.
Pause it. Too far.
Wait, I'm still.
Pause it.
I'm sure I can't see him.
Oh my gosh.
What is this? What do you see? Is it?
You use this?
Yeah, good. It's so high, Daddy.
Keep on tossing. The object is
I need to cover
Pause
my
it.
ears.
Pause it.
Daddy will cover my ears.
It's not relevant to have a distant object. Very distant is not. Cannot. It's too far. There.
I'm playing. Where is it? There it is. It's flying. Look at that. It's going to space.
Oh really?
See my
Is that coming back?
great grandparents.
Which is God, right?
I think so. Here we go. It's too far, I think. But I can still see him. I'm gonna hold it for you. I'm gonna leave him in the middle.
He's actually creating a bird or a man looking up.
It looks
toward
like
the sky.
it looks like an eagle.
No, it's a man looking
you-
up the sky. See? Yeah. It's not.
There we go.
It's too close. The car, just passed by. It's too close.
I don't care. I can do this. Oh, I got it, Daddy. Tell me.
Pause it.
I got it. I got it in time. Is it one with propeller?
Pause it.
Goodbye. It's starting to flight. It's gone.
It's called taxiing the runway.
Right? When they start, are they about to
Taxiing
start?
the runway, yeah. It's
Oh,
called taxiing the runway.
there's someone. Wait, Daddy, look, it's doing it. He's going up. He's going up.
Yeah. I think it's a small passenger plane, so it's going to
I think that's an airplane.
Alberta.
Is
It's
it?
not going to participate in the air show. Oh, maybe they've cut down the show for now because there's somebody's gonna take off.
To Australia.
No,
Okay.
maybe to Alberta.
Alberta. That makes sense. Is Alberta?
Private jet. So just 30
Well, I was
minutes.
so close, Daddy. I said
30
Australia.
minutes
That's
ride.
so close. He's
Pause it,
gone.
pause it.